Ian Kummerow with Billion Nissan here. Today we're going to take a look at the Nissan's new ProPILOT Assist, something all new for the 2018 Nissan Rogue. This system is meant to ease the stress of heavy highway traffic driving and keep you safe. Let's check it out. So to activate the ProPILOT Assist, you're just going to hit the blue ProPILOT Assist cruise control button. Once you press that button, the display will change in between your speedometer and tachometer. Now, once we get up to speed here, I'm simply going to press the set button like you would on normal cruise control, and that will activate the system once it's done reading the lines. So we're going to set to 64, I'm going to inch it to 65. Now there's 3 distance control settings. Right now we're on the 3rd one for the most conservative driving. If I were to click the distance setting, it'll lower or decrease the following speed. I simply press it a 3rd time to reset it back to the maximum following distance. Now the system's taking over right now, and it's slowing me down because the person in front of me is going much slower. When the lines are activated and I keep my hands on the steering wheel, it'll actually take over itself and keep me in the center of the lane, thus utilizing the ProPILOT Assist. Now, ProPILOT Assist is what's called a single lane system, meaning that it only works in the singular lane. It will not do lane changes for you. You'll still have to manually override to do that, but by simply turning on your signal and taking over, the system will deactivate while it lets you change lanes. As soon as you start traveling down a singular lane again, even after a lane change, reset your cruise and the system will take over. So as ProPILOT Assist is taking us down the lane, the adjustments are subtle, but it's going to keep me in the exact center of the lane. Now there is built-in safety software for this vehicle in worst case scenarios. If you were to take your hand off the wheel like I'll do right now, it'll give you some warning systems to let you know to put your hand back on the wheel once it reads that there's no driver input. Now, after the visual and audible warnings begin, this is just the first defense mechanism. Once we get past the first line of defense, the vehicle will start pressing the brake to attempt to wake you up in case you've either fallen asleep or become incapacitated. Secondary safety system activating right now. If it detects that you have become incapacitated or cannot tell the difference, hazards will turn on and it'll bring you to a slow, subtle, complete, and safe stop in hopes of avoiding a complete fatality. Worst case scenario, last line of defense. There you have it. This is a great new safety feature that takes the stress out of your daily commute, and we're excited to have it on the 2018 Nissan Rogue. If you'd like to check it out in person, give me a call at 605-215-8362. Thanks for checking this video out.